Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Aida Resti Aprilia. I am from study program before Business Management in Polytechnic Post Indonesia. In here, I want to a presentation by title Consumer Satisfaction Level with Online Shopping. Submit to complete on English for presentation course assignment. The supervisor is Ms. Ripta Permatanuari as whom. Urgent. This research is very important to be studied and researched because with the development of the time, especially in Indonesia, there is now a rise in the COVID-19 disease. People don't want to bother with shopping directly. They prefer to shop online using an application because shopping online is considered to make it easier for consumer and also for fast delivery. Just wait it at home. The benefit of research is one, encouraging the creation of consumer loyalty. Two, helping seller to find out the result of consumer satisfaction level by using online shopping application. 3. Make it easier for seller to offer product to consumer. 4. There is potential for repeat purchase and consumer of products sold by in-app seller. The purpose of study is the main purpose of the study to assist seller in knowing how the level of consumer satisfaction with sell marketing using online shopping application such as Shopee, Lazada, Tokopedia, and etc. Because there are still many sellers who don't know the level of their own consumer, and this result in a bad rating given by the consumer to the seller shop. Limitation of research. The focus of writing is this qualitative research. Is this level of consumer satisfaction by shopping online? This is based on the problems encountered starting from how we find out consumer interest by shopping online. Then the future is this online shopping application can bring benefit to the seller in the future. Problem. In this study, there is a formulation of the problem to be studied for helping the seller to find out the level of consumer satisfaction by shopping online using the intended application or platform. Among other, in the order to be able to find out things about consumer interest in shopping online because they use applications such as Shopee, Tokopedia, Lazada. Then the store seller who has an online store can also find out whether the use of application feature by online shopping can help the seller gain an advantage. The method used in this study to discuss the problem, the type of research used in the preparation of the proposal is qualitative approach. Qualitative research method is a method used to answer research problem related to data in general in the form of narrative that can be sourced from interview, observation, document research, or questionnaires. The data collection used in the preparation of this research is to use the data collection method using from the Google Form questionnaires that has been made and then distribute to participants. Then, after the data is collected, the data can be used as a reference as the content of the problem formulation that has been made that it can also be done by interviewing someone who use an online shopping application in order to find out the level of consumer satisfaction as more accurate data finding. Consumer interest in online shopping is very high in Indonesia, especially during in COVID-19 pandemic. Based of research, I have downloaded around 84.6% of consumer shop online frequently because shopping online using available application or online shopping platform can make it easier for consumer to find the desired product or item. Because lots of online shopping application or platform including Shopee, Tokopedia, Lazada, etc. And from I have collected namely consumer who use the Shopee application are 90.4%, Tokopedia 3.8%, Lazada 3.8%, and those who use three applications alternately are now 1.90%. Discussion. In this area, many people prefer to shop online because there are often many discounts or promotion offered to consumer convert to shopping in person. There are many levels of consumer satisfaction in online shopping, some of which say that online shopping is easy to use or accessibly practical and many product choice, cheaper and save time. Not only that, the benefit or feedback obtained by the seller by selling online using the application is the seller reach is very broad so that the product market by the seller can be accessed anytime and anywhere by consumer. Conclusion and recommendation. The conclusion is by shopping online through this online shopping applications such as Shopee, Tokopedia, and Lazada, it turned out that it can be easier for the consumer to find the desired item practically. Not only that shopping online is cheaper, there are lots of discount and voucher. The recommendation in shipping goods, the seller should first check whether there are defects or not, and when shipping, try to wear and protector on the goods so that the goods are not dented. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.